guys, it's me, Nig, and today we're back with another video here. And in this video, we are going to be doing another toy review. Isn't that great? So today, this toy review, we are going to be opening up Pokemon Trading Game Sun and Moon Crystal Storm. It's a cool game, but I only have this this booster pack. You can only play in 6 and up, and in the front it says Tabululu, because in the front it actually says Tabululu because I have a Tabululu card. Isn't that epic? Tabululu's Sun and Moon. It's a great Pokemon. It's an Ultra. Is it Ultra Beast? I don't know. So yeah, and then it shows a Groudon. Is it a Groudon card? There's a Groudon card, guys. So, and then we're gonna be opening up the booster pack itself. So I'm gonna get my trusty scissors. Hey guys, I have my scissors, and I'm gonna open up my Pokemon trading game cards. But before we do it, I just want to say, first you need to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And one more reminder, if you're under 5 years old, you need a parent or grown-up to help you to open this Pokemon card, because you might get cut. So, and yeah, let's open the card. Wait a second. Do I need my scissors? Oh, open this up. Oh yeah, got them cards, and I got Tabululu. Wait a sec. Oh, yeah, I have Tabululu in the house, baby. Okay, then let's open the pack. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh wait, I forgot my coin. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. Here's the coin. Groudon. So let's open back. Get this Tabululu card out of the way, even though it's a good Pokemon. Let's open it up with our trusty scissor friend. Well, it's kind of mean, but because, yeah, let's just open this up. And first, we have, oh, it's a card, okay. First, we are gonna get, wait a second, okay. So I'm gonna, oh my goodness, okay. So let's open, let's make a surprise. First, we have Minun. That's a good card. Let's put it in the side first. Oh, stack it to Tabululu. Oh, and then next we. Oh my goodness, this is a good Pokemon. Kambuskin. Did I say that right? Yeah, Kambuskin. That's good. That's evolved in a Torchic. And then we have a. Oh wait a sec. Wait a sec. Guys, tell me in the comments below if this is a shiny or not, because this looks different from a normal Voltbee. Yeah. So next is let me see. Oh, it's an energy card. There we go. And then next is oh! Holy guys. Holy crap. Look at that. It's a, what is it again? A Deoxys! Am I saying this wrong? I don't know. It's, oh man! No way! That's a mythical Pokemon. Okay, next is another Voltbee. There we go. I can't believe I got that. And then I have this Real Life Whismur. Get that out of the side. And then next we have, we have a Mudkip right in there, out of the way. Okay then. Next is Baltoy. It's I'm just gonna say it's a psychic. Next is a Bagon. It's a dragon type. And then we have a Torchic. Let's put that out of the side. So guys, I'm gonna clean up, and I'll be back when I am. So guys, I'm done cleaning up, and now it's time to review all our Pokemon. So let's get them all in here. There we go. There we go. This is the best deck of, I know it's not a deck, but I'm just gonna call it deck. Yes. I just gave a card away. Oops. And then let's review all our Poke cards. So first, we have a Torchic. It's so cute. So cute. So cute, fire type. Next, we have the Bagon. It's a dragon type. It can use Rock Heads. Oh yeah. And the Torchic can use Peck and Live Coal. So next Pokemon is Wisp. It can use Whale. And it is a basic type, I think. Yeah. Get that out of the way. Next Pokemon is a Mudkip. Mudkip can use Tackle and Wave Splash. Yeah. Take a look at that. Next Pokemon is a Baltoy. It can use Psybolt. There we go. It's I think a fire type or psychic. I don't know. My vote is a fire type. Next Pokemon is... Wait a sec. I think this is a shiny. Volbeat. Yeah, I think I got 2 shinies in a... Oh, this is cool. Let's get that out of the way. And we have the best Pokemon in our card. Deoix. I feel so bad because I can't even say a mythical legendary Pokemon that is so rare. Okay, so yeah, I have whatever. I'm just gonna say the moves. It has Teleportation Burst and Spear Dive. So take a good look at this good mythical or legendary Pokemon. Next in the side is an energy card. So next in the side is another shiny. Wait, is this a shiny? Doesn't shine anymore. Volbeat. Next is our favorite Combuskin. Well, the deck says is a favorite, but why do I keep... Oh, wait a sec. I forgot to do the moves again. Ferrum Catch. Next is a Combuskin. It can use Double Kick and Flamethrower. Here's a good look at that. And then next we have a Minun, which its partner is a Plusle. So it can use Ditch and Draw and Electro Ball. Take a good look at that. And the last one, and finally, Sabu Bulu. Yeah. Bam! This is our favorite card so far. And our next favorite is... Where is it? Oh, I can't find it. Ugh. Well, I'm just gonna say my second favorite is a Deoix. Okay. So yeah, that's my second favorite, and my third favorite is the... Oh, here it is. And my last favorite is this Combuskin. So yeah, that's all for it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. If you do, Pokemon will come to life and you can battle everyone in your way. So like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you guys in the next video. See you guys next time. I still can't stop. Bye!